Hello, it's Brent Leverage Lane back again with another macro video. In this video, I want to show you an Excel macro that will turn worksheets into workbooks. Let's see it in action. Alright, let me navigate to Excel to show you this new macro. And you can see in this active Excel workbook, I have a variety of different worksheets created, all with specific information to them. Let's say I wanted to create a new workbook for each one of these worksheets. I could open up a new blank workbook for each one of these worksheets and then copy and paste the information in and then save them to all of the locations that I want them to be saved at. But that is extremely labor intensive and time consuming. The good news is there is a better way with VBA, which is why I created this new macro, turn worksheets into workbooks. And what this macro does is it takes all of these worksheets and saves them as their own workbook. And by default, they all get saved to the exact location of this active Excel workbook. So let me show you this. I'll run this macro, and you can see once the macro is done running, you get a nice pop-up saying the worksheets have been created as their own workbooks. Once you just OK out of that, you can take a look at the folder path of the active Excel workbook and see all of those worksheets created as their own workbook. This macro is great if you need to send workbooks as email attachments to specific recipients that just need the relevant information. I absolutely want to know what you think of this macro. Thanks so much for watching. Stay awesome. Thank you so much for taking time to view this video. I really do appreciate it. If you want to start using the macro you've seen in the video today, I have a link in the description you can follow. If you could do me another big favor, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated on any new videos that I'm posting. Like us, follow us on all of our other social media channels, and as always, stay awesome.